Today we are talking about paperless manufacturing and traceability using PlantRun. The problem with paper is it's inaccurate. It's expensive. There is a lack of visibility. It creates data islands. How do we remove paperwork? Data should come directly from one source. Where manual data is necessary, this should be done directly to an interface, such as a PC, touchscreen, or smartphone. The data will then become digital instantly. Flexible systems like PlantRun are designed to provide this functionality. It can act as a central database or be integrated with other enterprise systems, including enterprise resource planning, manufacturing execution systems, and computerized maintenance management systems to eliminate data islands. The benefits of going digital. Storing data electronically means that there are no physical storage requirements, there is an easy retrieval of data, and it enables historical data analysis. It is more accurate. It can automatically timestamp. It is more legible. And users walk through completing the forms. Private. Data cannot be manipulated due to encryption. Access is controlled. Secure. No missing paperwork or entries. Always the right version of form used. Automatic backups. Any existing forms can be converted and then simplified. It is a straightforward exercise. All forms become digital with centralized storage. The users can fill the forms in on a tablet or on a touch-screen PC. Go paperless with PlantRun. For more information, go to plantrun.co.uk